We are at 8848 South 84th Avenue in Hickory Hills. We are performing our first attempted repair on the vent. In order for me to take out this vent, I must remove the shingles around it. The vent is nailed onto the decking. I will perform this with this roofing snake that is recommended by the insurance. I will now proceed as gentle as possible. As you can see, right over here, it's one point of impact and a bunch of granular loss all over. As you can see right here, there's damage. As you can see right here as well, another point of impact. And another one with a bunch of granular loss. As you can see, it's chipping. And this one is a major point of impact right there. As you can see, all over, especially right here, the shingle is ripping and popping more hard. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on just 2 shingles alone. I would also need to remove the shingle here and these ridge caps in order to make that happen. And as you can see here, every time I try to, these ridge caps, as you can see, made a crease in there. So this will continue to happen to each one until I remove these all. In order, you see right here, all over here. In order to make this vent repair, I will need to remove these. In order to do these, all of these have to come off. Because if not, it will put like the domino effect. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points of impact. This has failed. I will no longer proceed.